In this video we're going to look at just the exterior angles of any polygon. Now the one thing you need to remember with the exterior angles of any polygon is that they will always add to 360 degrees. It doesn't matter how big, how small the polygon is, it doesn't matter whether it's regular or irregular, it will always add to 360 degrees. So for example, if we had let's take a regular triangle or equilateral triangle. We know that each of the angles in here is 60 degrees and they all add up to 180 degrees, so they're the interior angles. If I was to extend each of the three lines out like so, what I've got now outside is I've got 1, 2, 3 exterior angles like so. Using angles on a straight line, we know that they add to 180 degrees, so this must be 120 degrees. Similarly, this is 120 degrees. And finally again, angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees, so that's 120. Add the 3 exterior angles up, you end up with 360 degrees. Same applies to if we had a square or a rectangle. We know the interior angles are each 90 degrees and they add to 360 degrees in any quadrilateral. Again, if we extend the lines, we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4 exterior angles again. Now they should add to 360 degrees if this statement here is true. This is 90, so this must be 90 degrees as well. Similarly down here, angles on a straight line 180 degrees, so that's 90 and again 90. 4 times 90 is 360 degrees. And you can continue that on for any polygon, always 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angles. Looking at a question. Now in most questions, whether you want to just go with the interior angles and use that to help find some of the exterior, that's absolutely fine because they all ravel in together. What I'm going to do is try and solve this just using the exterior angle rules. So, sum of exterior angles add to 360 degrees. So at the moment, if you look at it, I've got 1, 2, 3, that's a 4-sided shape, quadrilateral. So it should have 1, 2, 3, 4 exterior angles. Now we've been given 3 of the exterior angles. We have got 95 plus the 70 and plus the right angle here. What I know that is if I add those up, take it away from 360, I should get the value for B. So we've got 185 here, 255. So B is 105 degrees. And that's the question answered. You could check it with the interior angles. So if this is 105, inside it must be 75, because again, angles on a straight line add to 180. Same angle rule up here. This will give me 85. 180 take away 70 is 130. And lastly, this must be 90 degrees as well. Add the 4 of these up and we get 360 degrees, which is also the sum of the interior angles in a quadrilateral. And one more. So a little bit complicated here because we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 sides here, so we've got a hexagon. But again, it doesn't matter what polygon it is. exterior angles, add to 360 degrees. So at the moment, so I should have, remember, I've got 6 sides, so I should have 6 exterior angles. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's all 6 of them. We've been given 5 and we're looking for that last one. So, same as before, 360 degrees, take away the sum of the other 5, 40 plus 60 plus 70 plus 2 more 70s. And then we continue on from there. So adding them up, we get 100, 240, get 310 degrees. So what we're left over with, D is equal to 50 degrees, because again they all need to add to 360 degrees. So that's the key bit to remember when it comes to exterior angles in any polygon.